Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 29 May 2018, 08 of hour, 23 of minute and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is it bad for your knee to crack? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is it bad for your knee to crack. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about is it bad for your knee to crack. It's usually harmless. The common misconception that cracking your joints will cause arthritis is just that, a misconception. When you flex and stretch your fingers in order to crack your knuckles, the capsule around the joint which contains this gas-filled fluid causes the bubbles to burst, which causes that sound. Last update Jan 2, 2014. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.